Hey guys, wanna know how to use Nitro Boost effectively in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, let's just start a race right here. Just select any level that you want, select your car, and then press play. And after a while, your race should begin. And here we go. Our race has begun, and first up, we need to charge our Nitro. So for that, you can double spin by double tapping on the left side of the screen, right here, or just dip simply by holding on the left side. Now right here we can see our Nitro bar is full on top. Now in order to use it, just simply tap in once, and once the blue line reaches, tap it again. That reaches the perfect Nitro. So I'll just demonstrate with you again. Tap it again and tap when the blue icon comes in, or the blue color, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.